Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I remove my makeup. This is a video that's always been requested. I end up just removing my makeup really quickly because it is a quick process and just never bother to film it. I will briefly touch on some of my skincare, but if you want a skincare specific video, let me know because I have a couple of routines I do because skin gets used to skincare. So I do have a varied skincare regime. But the main purpose of today is how I remove my makeup and just kind of treat my skin directly after removing it, especially when I've been filming because that's when I tend to wear a lot more makeup, especially in studio lighting. So this eye makeup is from today, however the lip was not, but I thought I would put on the lip to match the headband just to show you how well the lipstick comes off with a particular product. So I'm going to be removing all of my makeup with my face halo pads, and this is with just water. Just water. No products. So that's going to take off all of my base makeup and leave my skin looking clean. Then I have a really cool product to show you. For those of you that have been to a spa before and had a facial, they tend to cleanse your skin and then put something hot around it to open up your pores so that when they put the next lot of serums on, they really absorb into the skin. So I have something to show you that you can use at home that's going to do the exact same thing, and I am loving it. So I'm going to show you that in a little while. So I'm going to start off by taking my eyelashes off. This is another one that I get a lot of requests for, is how to take eyelashes off. I should really just put a 30-second dedicated video to just how to remove eyelashes because it's so quick and simple, and I don't know why I haven't done it before. Always start from the outside inwards. So hold your skin nice and taut. Take the very end of the lashes, which is normally a little bit higher than your natural lash, so don't grasp all of the lashes because you'll grab your own lashes in with it. So just the outer edges, lift it slightly so it's lifted, and then just follow the lash line all the way across and it comes off so simply. None of my eyelashes are caught in there. I have a bowl of water and there's nothing else in it. It is solely water. And this is my face halo pad, and this is just literally a pad. Soft fibres, super soft, and you just add water to it and it removes all of your makeup. So what I love about these is that you can use them up to 200 wash cycles. So these little pads literally are a game changer, and also it's really important for the environment because since Face Halo has been about, it's replaced up to 370 million wipes that would have ended up in a landfill. I think it's really important to transition over, and so many of you have been tagging me on Instagram when you've bought them, and it really makes me happy to see, and you all absolutely love them. They are incredible. And in the UK, you might not know that Face Halo have actually started an upcycling program, so you can return these and they will be upcycled. So I'm just going to pop my dry face halo pad into some water. This is a warm water bowl. Squeeze out all the excess water. So now it's just damp, and I'm going to use this to remove all of my makeup. So I'm going to show you how easy it is. You do need to go over it a couple of times, obviously, to remove stuff, especially depending on how heavy your makeup is. But it will completely remove all of your makeup. When I'm removing my mascara, I go up my lashes and down my lashes just to remove it both sides. And I also only use one side for all of my makeup first, and then I go in with the clean side just over the rest of my skin again a second time. Obviously it will make your eyes a little bit red to begin with, but don't rub them hard because this will remove your mascara just by going up and down. I'm now going to do my lips as well. Just one swipe and you can see it comes off. And that's a matte one, so you know that they can be difficult to remove. Also, it holds on to the makeup, so you can see that even though there's actually lipstick on there, I'm not rubbing it over the rest of my face. Even with just one swipe, the majority of that eyeshadow stick, which does tend to stick to the skin really well, just comes away nicely. So my sister is actually a massive fan of these now. I actually had to share my packet with her the other week because she wanted to try it, and I had to convince her. But I couldn't say to her, go and spend the money on it if you've not tried it yet. So I gave her one of mine, and then straight away she went and bought some. It's like a soft microcloth, and I find that they really are quite good at exfoliating your skin as well because these type of cloths tend to take off dead skin cells. So that is my base makeup and everything taken off with just water. My skin looks a little bit red at the moment because obviously I've rubbed it. And now that's going to go into the wash. So even though I have taken off all of my makeup using the face halo pad, I still like to go in and give it a proper wash. I like to double cleanse, and I like to start off with either the Hardie Moringa Balm or the Elemis Pro-Collagen Cleansing Balm. Both of these are absolute favourites of mine and Tommy's. If you've never used these, then you need to. Oh my god, this is like having a spa at home, especially if you pair it with the PMD cleanser. It's just literally like having a spa at home. What I love to do is to warm it between my hands and just inhale it. Oh my god, it's incredible. And if Tommy sees me using it and I've not offered him any, this is the Moringa Balm. And again, it just smells incredible as well. This is a huge tub. This is their 10th anniversary one. But as you can see, both of them are well and truly loved. And it is so like having a spa at home. I love it. So those are what I go in with first to cleanse the skin after I've used my face halo pad. And then I'll go in with either the Drunk Elephant Bestie No. 9 Jelly Cleanser, also the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser, which I'm going to use today. I am a massive fan of this. As you can see, I've only got just under half left. This one's great for dry, rough, bumpy skin. It has 3 essential ceramides. It also has hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid. So if you have breakouts, this is another good one. So just use a small pump of that. And then I can use this to foam up onto the skin. This has really been incredible for helping me to sort of smooth out my skin texture. I love it. It's got no fragrance in it. I finished my Lancome Genifique Advanced Serum stuff, which was brilliant. So good. So now I'm going to give the Drunk Elephant products a try. This is the PMD Clean Pro RQ, and it's sold at Harrods in the Beauty Hall. This uses sonic glow technology to break down dirt and makeup on the skin with 7,000 vibrations per minute. So it has different settings for the different vibrations, and the idea is that it firms and tones the skin as you use it, and the idea is to use it sort of 2 to 3 times a week. So this is completely waterproof and you can use it in the shower to clean your face, and it has a little area there that you put the charger in, but it's got like a silicone sleeve so it doesn't get wet. So for me, I tend to use this after I've been filming, mainly doing this kind of makeup, because that's when I wear the heaviest makeup, and it's normally a couple of times a week, which is perfect for when I'm using this. Then I just wipe off the CeraVe SA Smoothing Cleanser. The next step for me is to give my skin a little bit of hydration, and I like to treat it with a serum. Now that I'm in my 30s, I want to use anti-aging serums. Just want to use stuff that's good for my skin, that's going to firm it and make it feel younger. So this little beauty is the best part about this whole thing. Obviously this side is incredible. The rose quartz side for me is the selling point for this. It has an active warmth technology, so you just press the button and then this starts to heat up. It actually gets so hot you think that it's going to be too hot to put on your skin, but it's not. You can start to see where I'm getting red, where it's heating up. Oh, it's so nice. So the heat from this is really great at kind of relaxing the muscles, as well as helping the absorption of your serums into your skin. This has been designed to help reduce inflammation because of the products that have been found in the gemstones, such as magnesium, iron, and oxygen. So you can see now that my skin has heated up. I'm going to go in today with the Hardie Exfoliating Brightening Tonic. You can either spray this directly onto your hands and pat that onto the skin. They do say use a cotton pad, but I just find it goes on beautifully with my hands. So I like to press that into the skin first. And again, I do mix this up. This is just a quick routine to show you. Then I like to go in with either a serum or a face oil. Two of my favourites are the Virgin Marula Oil by Drunk Elephant, and I also absolutely love the Elemis Pro-Collagen Marine Oil. As I mentioned earlier, I was using the Lancome Genifique serum, but I've run out, so I'm going to use this, just a couple of drops, and then I'm just going to warm that up on the actual rose quartz stone, and then I'm going to, oh god, it's so nice, work that onto the skin. This face oil smells divine. So I only use this side of the product a couple of times a week, but I use this side every single night, because as soon as I'm putting my serums on, it just doesn't feel the same unless you've put the heat on your face and allowed it to absorb properly. My fine lines and everything look better, my skin texture looks better. I just love it. The normal PMD Clean has been awarded the best grooming tool by GQ. So I'm going to go let that soak in now before I put some moisturiser on, ready for bed. Obviously I skipped the double cleanse routine. I've not showed you eye creams and stuff because I want to show you products when I do an actual skincare video. This is more a routine of how I remove my makeup and the process. And then if you want to know actual products for the routine, let me know and I will do that in a separate video. Thank you so much for watching. All of the products I've used will be listed and linked in the description bar below. Again, let me know if you want to see the cleansing routines and I will do those for you. Thank you for watching and I will see you next week. Bye.